In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome user avatar. It's a straightforward process, but getting it just right can really help personalize your browsing experience. Let's dive in and get started with this simple tutorial. First off, open up your Google Chrome browser. You'll want to make sure you're signed into your Google account, as this is where your browser settings are stored and synced. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're ready and have the browser open, move your cursor up to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice your current avatar symbol or your Google account icon just beside the three-dot menu. This is your profile icon, a quick way to access your Google account settings. Next, click on this profile icon. Upon doing so, a small menu will appear. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see the Manage Your Google Account option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to an entirely new tab dedicated to your Google account settings where you can manage everything from security settings to personal data. Now that you're in the Settings tab, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see several different options that you can click on. Find the Personal Info section and give it a click. This is where you can update all personal details related to your account, including your profile picture, which is the avatar you're looking to change. Once you're in the Personal Info section, scroll down until you see the section labeled Profile. Here, you should see your current avatar or profile picture again. To change it, click on this image. You'll be prompted with a small prompt that includes a camera icon overlay. Clicking this will take you to another page where you can select your new avatar. Now it's time to choose a new picture. You can upload one from your computer or select from the available Google illustrations if you'd like. If you have an image in mind that represents you better, click on Upload from Computer and navigate to wherever you've saved your image file. Just ensure the image is clear and professional to maintain a neat appearance. Once you've chosen your picture, confirm your selection, and it should automatically update as your new avatar. It may take a few moments for the change to fully sync and reflect across all your devices where you use Chrome. And that's it. You're all set with your new Google Chrome user avatar. This small change can make a big difference in personalizing your Google Chrome experience, making your browsing feel a bit more like you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy browsing!